Alright, here we have the 115th Street Railroad crossing in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin. This is kind of a train just passed when I was coming here, so I gotta make this quick. At the first signal right here, it's got a Westercola Hayes base, a Westercola Hayes gate mechanism. As you can see on the back there, you see Westercola Hayes, but sometimes you see there's the WRS logos on the back of them. They have a Westercola Hayes gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information. As you can see, the dot number for emergencies is 390512R. And then the lights up on the signal are Westercola Hayes 12x20 inch lights with GE fading LEDs in them. So you can see, here's a look at the back of the Westercola Hayes logo. The bell is a Westercola Hayes mechanical bell. And then the gate lights up on the signal are Rico LED gate lights. So yeah. Alright, I gotta wait for a second. So I need to... Alright. At the second signal, it's got another Westercola Hayes base. Another Westercola Hayes gate mechanism. And they usually produce these WRS things on here, but they produce the Westercola Hayes, sadly. Then we have a Westercola Hayes gate mechanism again. Here's the emergency information. Here's the old one right up there. And then the lights up on the signal are more Westercola Hayes 12x24 inch lights with more Harmony fading LEDs in them. As you can see, look at the LED. Here's a look at the Westercola Hayes logo. And then the gate lights are more Rico LED gate lights. So yeah. And then right over there is a relay case facing that way, facing towards downtown Wauwatosa and towards Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And facing towards the Amtrak station, and then facing west is facing towards Heartland, Wisconsin, through Brookfield, through Elm Grove, Brookfield, and through Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So yeah, this is the 115th Street Railroad crossing in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin. Signing off.